Hello dear students, let's start our first chapter from ninth science chemistry, that is matter in our surrounding. That is very basic or common chapter that belongs to your daily life. So let's start. Very familiar with the word matter. Do you know the definition of matter? Various examples of matter in your surrounding atmosphere? Yes. In your surrounding atmosphere, like air, water, pen, pencils, benches, sofas, pictures, lots of examples of matters are present in atmosphere. And the definition of matter is what? Anything that occupies space and have mass and can be felt easily by our senses, called as matter. Indian ancient philosopher considered as matter is a form of five basic elements, that is called Panch Tattva. First one is air, that is Vayu, earth, Prithvi, fire, Agni, sky, आसमान, वाटर यानी कि जल. इन सब से मिलकर क्या बना है? मैटर बना है. और मैटर कुछ भी हो सकता है जिसको आप अपने सराउंडिंग में देखते हैं, जिसका एक पर्टिकुलर स्पेस होता है, एक मास होता है, और उसको फेल्ट भी किया जा सकता है, फील भी किया जा सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स प्रॉपर्टी of the particle of matter. As we know, matter is made up of very teeny particles, very small particles, which form matter. It may be atoms, it may be molecules, it may be ions. So first characteristics property of matter is made up of teeny particles, denoted as the teeny small particles. These particles are so small that we can't see by naked eye. And second important property is the particles have vacant spaces between them. Mean one particle and another particles, there is a gap, there is a space, there is a interparticle distance. So it is one of the important characteristics property of matter. Third one is particles are continuous motion. पार्टिकल्स, मैटर के जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो मोशन में, मूवमेंट में रहते हैं. एंड द पार्टिकल डिनोटेड एज, दिस एरो इंडिकेट देयर मोशन बिकॉज दे हैव काइनेटिक एनर्जी, दे कैन मूव, दे कैन ईजिली गेट एक्साइटेड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ टेम्परेचर, बाय अटेनिंग एनर्जी फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग. Fourth one is the particles are held together by force of attraction, denoted as the one particle and second particle, there is a no space, and that denotes there is a force of attraction between them that holds two particles together. These are the very characteristics property for the particles. First one is the very teeny particles. Second, they have space between them. Particles are in continuous motion. Particles are held together by force of attraction. And next one is that there are five states of matter, in which one are very simple that exist in our surrounding. First one is the solid, like chalk, salt, duster, brick, iron. Liquid like water, kerosene, petrol, and gases like air, LPG. And two more advanced state, that is plasma, that is a very hot state of ionized gas, similar to gaseous state, but in it exists very high temperature. And fifth one is the Bose-Einstein condensate, that is equivalent to solid, but in this case particles are very closely associated, called as BEC. All we will discuss in deeply in our next lecture. Let's take a problem from our in-text NCERT book. First one is the which of following are matter. So you have to pick or find out the matter out of these. Let's take first one, chair. Yes, it is a matter because it have mass, it occupy space, volume and can be felt by touch. Air is also matter, a gaseous mixture. Love, it is not matter. Why it is not matter? Because it is just emotion of human beings. So every emotions are not matter. Love is not matter. Almonds, yes, matter. Hate, again emotions, so no matter. Cold drink, yes, soft drink, cold drinks, beverage are matters. Pen, yes, matter. Cold, not. Hot, cold, ठंडा गर्म फील होना, it is not matter. And water, yes, very common form of matter, exists in liquid state. Thought, not matter. So in your surrounding you see a lots of matter. So students, you are advised that first of all you read first 2 pages of your NCERT textbook as given in PDF attachment. After that, attend or understand this concept, and we will discuss it in deeply in future lecture. Okay, thank you.